Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Life with the Wolfies, the tea break. Okay, I want to address a few things. First off, I have an envelope full of cards for Heather that is going in the mail tomorrow. Thank you everybody for setting that up. And if you live in the United States, you may want to send cards care of this address below for Heather the Needy Homesteader and her family. Many people have been asking how my cousin Mary Jane's doing. She's been in really bad health for a really long time, most of her life. She went into the hospital yesterday running 104 fever, and she has a raging bladder infection. Not surprising, being that there's cancer in her bladder and on the outside of her bladder, and it is a neobladder, which means it was taken from a piece of her, or made from a piece of her intestine. So she's having surgery for the cancer. They're hoping to take the cancer out of the neobladder and off the outside of the neobladder without damaging it. And they hope they can get it all, because building another neobladder is not going to be very easy for them to do. And in the state of her health, her kidneys are at stage 4 failure, and she has cancer in her bladder. So she's really, really weak. But she's staying her surgery is on the 22nd, and she's staying in the hospital. They're keeping her in the hospital, trying to get her infection and everything under control. And maybe, God, please God, they will put her on dialysis finally. All right. Hopefully they're going to do everything they can to get her as stable as they can to get her into surgery on the 22nd. I am cutting down my public live streams to Tuesdays and Thursdays, and that way, you'll still get them, but I have other things to do, right? If you think about it, if I put out only 3 videos a week on this channel, 1 or 2 a week on my reading channel, and then I live stream, and my live streams, I'm up to like 10, showing up on the internet 10 days a week kind of thing. So while things are slow, I'm going to start back on that quilt, which I have not touched since before Christmas, which I'm going to probably be doing tomorrow. I do have some projects going on, or a project going on the dehydrator, but it's taking longer than I expected, so that's a video in the making. Although Howie was called into work to have his picture taken, it has now been 2 months and we don't know. There is no word at all about whether or not and when he's going to be called back to work. And the hard part is, all of the shops are the same way. So looking for work is not necessarily going to be easy. But that's, we'll manage, as always, right? So I just wanted to let you know, spring is right around the corner, and I'm going to be getting really, really busy. There's that, okay? So I should have been taking some more time off this winter than I have, but I have been getting my stuff in order. Things aren't going to be random anymore. If there are videos to be made, you will get them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Live streams, public live streams, will be Tuesday and Thursday. All right, because I have my live reading on Saturday on my reading channel, and I would really like to take Sunday off. So that's what's going on. Thank you everybody for your patience. Things have been, kind of tossed up in the air this year Mostly since how he's been laid off. Things are kind of tossed up in the air, and we're just going to let the chips fall where they may, as they do every day, because every day is a new day trying to figure out what comes next. So, but we will keep you posted, right? And we're just trying to live in the day, because remember, it's, regrets of things done in the past and fear of what's coming in the future that makes us forget to focus on what is the only reality I have, and that's today. All right. This is Mrs. Wolfie from Life with the Wolfies, and that's your tea break. Have a great day, and we'll see you live on Tuesday. Love you.